2026 Hummer H4 is expected to arrive as one of the most aggressive and futuristic off-road SUVs in the American market, combining the legendary toughness of the Hummer brand with modern electric performance, advanced technology, and bold military-inspired design. Built by GMC, the H4 is rumored to sit below the larger GMC Hummer EV, offering a more compact but still extremely capable off-road machine designed for adventure lovers and urban drivers who want power, presence, and cutting-edge innovation. The exterior design of the 2026 Hummer H4 reflects the iconic Hummer DNA with a squared, muscular body, wide stance, and high ground clearance. The front fascia features a bold, illuminated grille with LED light bars stretching across the width, giving the vehicle a futuristic nighttime signature. Massive all-terrain tires, protective skid plates, and reinforced bumpers highlight its off-road readiness, while the removable roof panels provide an open-air driving experience similar to premium adventure SUVs. The body is expected to use lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel to improve durability while maintaining efficiency. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Hummer H4 is designed to deliver both luxury and rugged practicality. The interior will likely feature premium leather seats, a digital instrument cluster, and a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic glass roof will enhance comfort for passengers. The dashboard will be modern and technology-focused, offering intuitive controls and advanced navigation systems specifically designed for off-road environments. There will also be multiple storage compartments and flexible seating configurations, making it suitable for family trips, camping, and daily commuting. Under the hood, the 2026 Hummer H4 is expected to be powered primarily by an electric drivetrain, reflecting the automotive industry's shift towards sustainable mobility. Industry expectations suggest a dual-motor or tri-motor setup, producing approximately 450 to 600 horsepower, delivering instant torque and strong acceleration even on rough terrain. The vehicle is likely to feature four-wheel drive capability, advanced traction control, and selectable drive modes for sand, snow, mud, and rock crawling. With a projected driving range of around 300 miles on a single charge, the H4 aims to balance performance with practicality for long-distance travel. Performance is expected to be one of the strongest selling points of the 2026 Hummer H4. The vehicle will likely include adaptive air suspension, locking differentials, and advanced off-road technologies such as terrain mapping and underbody camera systems. These features will allow drivers to navigate challenging landscapes with confidence while maintaining stability and control. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour could be achieved in approximately 5 to 5 seconds, which is impressive for a heavy-duty off-road SUV. Safety technology will also play a major role in the design of the 2026 Hummer H4. The SUV is expected to come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. These features will help reduce accidents and improve overall driving confidence, especially during long journeys or challenging off-road adventures. The pricing of the 2026 Hummer H4 is expected to position it in the premium off-road SUV segment. The base model is likely to start around $68,000 to $75,000, depending on trim level and optional features. Higher-end models with additional performance upgrades, luxury interiors, and extended battery capacity could reach $85,000 to $95,000 in the United States market. These prices reflect the advanced technology, electric powertrain, and rugged capabilities offered by the vehicle. In terms of models and trims, the 2026 Hummer H4 is expected to be offered in multiple configurations to suit different driving needs. The base model will focus on everyday usability and comfort, while the mid-level trim will add enhanced off-road features and technology upgrades. The top-tier performance model will likely include the most powerful motor setup, premium interior materials, and exclusive design elements. Buyers will also have options for different wheel sizes, battery capacities, and exterior color packages. Overall, the 2026 Hummer H4 represents the next evolution of modern off-road SUVs, blending classic Hummer toughness with advanced electric technology and luxury features. It is designed for drivers who want a powerful vehicle, capable of handling extreme terrain while still providing comfort, style, and efficiency for daily driving. With its bold design, strong performance, and innovative technology, the H4 is expected to become one of the most exciting additions to the American SUV market in the coming years.